Korea Expressway Corporation opens up roads, connecting people and cultures and moving to a new world. Starting with the Gyeongbu Expressway in 1969, as a state-owned enterprise, Korea Expressway Corporation has been responsible for the design, construction, operation, and maintenance of expressways in Korea. These expressways have become the driving force behind the rapid growth of the Korean economy and have improved the quality of life for its people. Korea Expressway Corporation, KEC, offering superior technology and services, is responsible for the planning, construction, and operation of roads not only in Korea, but also around the world. KEC's project management covers the overall stages of road project lifecycle, from planning and design, to bidding and construction, finally into operation and maintenance. KEC's project management consists of diverse digital systems by field combining IT technologies with KEC's long-term experience. It features effective managing solutions such as BIM, construction management systems, and workplace safety management systems. Including super long-span bridge and tunnel, thousands of kilometers of expressway have been successfully constructed through Korea Expressway Corporation's project management. In addition, various standards, guidelines, and specifications for expressway design and construction have been directly developed by Korea Expressway Corporation, and they are now the standards of the Korean road industry. The key to operation and maintenance is to ensure road sustainability, both in terms of safety and economics. For the safe operation of expressway, KEC establishes a 24-hour monitoring system in order to control road and traffic conditions in real time. Furthermore, KEC operates one of the most extensive toll collection systems in the world for managing more than 4,000 kilometers of toll roads with various methods from manual collection to multi-lane free-flow tolling system. Also, we have the world's best technology of digital management system for roadway facilities, such as pavement management system. By using GIS spatial information and sensor technology, as well as applying IT to O&M, we developed innovative ways of road maintenance such as pavement damage investigation system that automatically detects the road surface damage through AI learning by analyzing driving footage. In addition to this, we operate bridges management system for more efficient and sustainable maintenance of numerous road bridges. And using drones, our road operators can digitally diagnose the deterioration of roadway facilities more safely and accurately without any blind spot. Tunnels are managed by tunnel management centers. Each tunnel management center intensively monitors facilities and traffic conditions in the tunnel with various safety equipment such as automatic accident detection system. Likewise, various rest facilities are in operation to provide convenience to road users and create a safer driving environment by allowing drivers to relieve fatigue. Korea Expressway Corporation operates an intelligent transportation system by applying IT to traffic management. Based on ITS, information regarding traffic volume, congestion, and accident is collected and provided to road users in real time. Through this, road usage is made more convenient, safer, and faster. Furthermore, we are leading research and development worldwide by testing autonomous driving, cluster driving, and CITS to create the accident-free roads in the future. In addition, we provide customized consulting as well as construction and operation services for the non-stop multi-lane tolling systems. Public-private partnership project is also an expertise of Korea Expressway Corporation. By reorganizing the foundation of P3 projects including laws, policies, and systems on behalf of the Korea government, Korea Expressway Corporation has played a major role in the successful development of P3 industry in Korea. Through our experience of implementing various P3 projects, we built an extensive business network with public and private financial institutions, both domestic and international. As a leading state-owned enterprise in Korea, Korea Expressway Corporation marks a high credit rating that enables stable financing for a P3 project. Based on our capability and experience of having completed many P3 roadway projects, we are currently participating in the Almaty Ring Road P3 project in Kazakhstan. Research and development is also one of the strengths of Korea Expressway Corporation. KEC Research Institute, an affiliated organization of Korea Expressway Corporation, develops state-of-the-art technologies in pavement, structure, safety, environment, and transportation through its outstanding workforce and experimental facilities. KEC Research Institute also develops an autonomous driving process by implementing realistic road conditions and conducting in-depth analysis on traffic circumstance and drivers' behavior. Korea Expressway Corporation is making roads beyond Korea, all around the world. Korea Expressway Corporation, with its extensive experience and high level of technical ability, contributes to the development of roadways across the globe, completing many projects in more than 50 countries over Asia, Africa, Europe, and the Americas. Even at this moment, our clocks constantly go forward around the world. People make roads, and roads develop humanity. Creating new value through roadways. We are your best partner. Korea Expressway Corporation.